What's going on YouTube? Spencer and Kathy combo here, and we are at Metroflex. They have a bunch of dope ass cars out front here, and they have a powerlifting competition that's USPL sanctioned, I guess you would say. So we're gonna go check that out. We see people going in now, so stay tuned and we're gonna show you guys what that's about. But look at this first one. Oh my god. This is dope. Look at that car. 2017 emblems in them. Mean. Boom. Convertible. Alright, car's done for the car show. On to the powerlifting competition here at Metroflex, you guys. Metroflex Murrieta. Spencerdthatsme, and I'll see you in the next clip. Oh, just one though. Alright, so first event right now is the squat. So it looks like they're loading some kilos on there and going to do some squats. Oh, nice. She got it.
Got it.
A wee bit heavy in the hole there.
Fell over. She made that look easy.
She did make that look easy. Yeah.
Another one makes her look easy.
Oh, there we go. A little heavy for her. She gave it a great try. What are you doing, babe? Oh, she's on the phone? So what do you think of the powerlifting competition today?
I haven't really checked it out. From talking to some of the competitors, they said it's moving a little slow. So that's their understanding of it being a little slow. Other than that, looks like we got a pretty good turnout.
We're both a little upset that I couldn't compete today. He's like, are you competing? Are you competing? And I was like, I wish I signed up, but you couldn't sign up the day of, you guys. So maybe next year.
Yeah, I'm very disappointed that they wouldn't accept like people who are ready for competition the day of. I've never heard of any sanctioning body not accepting competition competitors the day of. So, like I said, maybe next time.
Maybe next time. Would have loved to max out today, guys. All right, see you guys in the next clip. Oh my God.
Getting off on that?
Why have kids when you can have that? The thing is beautiful. I want it. Actually, I like red. This one too. Look at this. Look at this one. And this one. See those drag tires on that thing? Just wanted to point these out, yeah. They're drag tires right here.
Undressing over here, excuse me.
Ooh, ooh. Audience retention. Audience retention. Audience retention. Oh my God.
Hey, John! Is that for your homies?
Yeah, right there. Water's a little tight these days.
No, it looks like you snored some because it's on your cheek.
Where? Where? Oh, got it. Few sentences.
3 sentences?
And then introduce yourself.
Well, my name is Sebastian, Sebas51 on Instagram. Street car, drag car, and show car. That's my girlfriend.
What's happening, guys? My name is Ryan Benthil, owner of Metroflex Murrieta. This is Battle of the Yard 6. It's a WRPF meet. We no longer have USPA meets here, so it's all about WRPF. We come out here, we bang. It's a good time, vendors, everybody's welcome, and it's always about the competitors. You know, may the best person win. Metroflex Murrieta. You guys can find me on Instagram, Metroflex Murrieta. My website is www.metroflexgymurrieta.com.
And I'll pan up.
Hey everybody, my name is Devin Soto. I'm with Soto Strength. I'm a personal trainer and lifting coach as well. Today I'm hoping to at least push around 500 squat, at least a 315 bench, and hopefully get that 600-pound deadlift. And I mean, I'm excited. It's my third meet, my second time back here at Metroflex. This meet's always fun, it always has been fun. Powerlifting is a really strong passion of mine, so I really want to get after it. So let's get it today.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you so much.
My name is Gennaro Casasola. My Instagram is @zboytrains. I'm hoping to get at least a 1300. The most I'm hoping to get is over a 555 deadlift. That's what I'm trying to achieve. This is my first powerlifting meet with Team 4 Bodies, so it's pretty much what I'm trying to do.
Are you excited?
I'm so stoked for this. I'm really excited for it.
Hell yeah.
I'm ready. Yeah. I'm ready.
Okay, so if you didn't know, in a powerlifting meet, there is a judge right here at the front, and he or she lets the lifter know when to start the lift and if the lift is good or not hitting depth in the squat in this particular movement. So I'm gonna point the camera at the judge so you guys know what that is. Apparently here at Metroflex, they pick cute judges. So here we go, next competitor. And the lift is good. Easy money right there. Mike Pro Body trying to sneak in over there.
In the stage.
Oh my God, here he is. I seen you trying to sneak in. What happened?
I'm always fake.
What?
I'm not sneaker.
She said she didn't want to be on camera.
Yeah, she didn't want to be on camera. I was like, great, we'll edit you out. Sorry, YouTube. Can't see that hot chick. Anyway, what are we hitting today, Mike Pro Body?
I don't know what.
The bench press challenge with like 225s and then 10s on it. And then we do 10 reps per 10 and take off a 10. And then we move on to a little bit of arms after that. What do you think?
You can do, guys. I can do the barbell because of my shoulders. I will do the dumbbells. Okay.
All right, whatever. Set one. Oh my goodness, he did it! I did bench yesterday, did some incline. Wish me luck. Stay away from sharp objects after this pump. Bench yesterday, I swear. Look, I just want a big ass chest. I want 2 butt cheeks right here. I want a big ass chest. Oh, Lamborghini. Wait, so you don't bench anymore? Is that what you're saying? Mike doesn't let you bench?
Enjoy your bench because you are only one who don't have a fuck up shoulders.
Yeah, but on YouTube, Mike, you're not cool unless you can bench press.
That's fine. That's fine. Because he will benching 150 dumbbells. It's more than 300 pounds barbell to me.
It's okay to bench press. Don't let Mike Pro Body here fool you. But if you want a bigger chest, you should do dumbbells too, because dumbbells are no joke.
He's still baby, so he's not yet hurt. This guy, he's 40 plus. He's 30, and this guy is 50. So 30 years in the game. Ask what is not hurt.
He's saying I'm the youngest here.
He's still baby in the game. He's still baby in the game. So he not hurt. He's just growing with anything. He good. But this guy is hurt too, like me.
All right, guys. Next set here. It's definitely past 10 minutes, but fuck it. We're gonna do another set. Same power set. Power set. That's what's up.
We have 10 more pounds for end of the off season, so it's gonna be easy. Right.
2 sets here. Hope you guys enjoyed the bench press challenge here. We're gonna move on to a little tricep challenge. Dwayne is gonna lead the way. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Pump, and now we're moving on to the tricep challenge here, you guys. I'll probably show you a little bit more of the powerlifting meet once we start doing like bench press and deadlift. So stay tuned. Spencer D, that's me. I'll see you in the next clip. An awesome set right there. That was the tricep challenge. You do 10 reps, you drop one plate, you add 2 reps, you drop another plate, you add 2 reps, you drop another plate, you add 2 reps. So at the end, your last set is up to 20 reps. It's pretty damn hard. I would say like 365.
No, don't let this guy, he's kind of savage, man.
No warm up. I love the deadlift. I want like a 7,000 pound deadlift, you know, like Kakarot. Like they call me a Super Saiyan, but you know, it's a work in progress.
Superman here. The reason why we are here, I was telling, oh, you sign up for show, for contest, and they tell him, oh, we are closed. So I never see and never heard anything like that. Even if you come in late, they always let you compete. So we come in here to cheer him to be biggest leader, powerlifter.
Yeah.
And
try to get the W, but we couldn't compete, so you know.
next time.
Next time. Yeah, we'll get there. See you guys in the next clip. Back out here in the yard. The big boys are hitting some weight right now. It's pretty sick. got it. Adios. Thanks for working out with us today, Mike. Pro Body.
Question.
Spencerdthatsme.